So this morning when I turned on my lamp, I saw this. So the LED bulb in the lamp is sort of like flickering irregularly. So as you know, a typical DC LED bulb should not do this. And I think there is something wrong with the circuit rather than the LED. So today I decided to crack it open and see what's inside. So here we go. First I'll take a knife and try to crack it open. Oh, I think I just popped the LED. This light is definitely not gonna lit right now. As you can hear. I think I popped another one. So here we go, we just cut the entire bulb out and then here it is. Oh, I didn't pop any of the LEDs. It's actually just a plastic piece. I don't know what's there for, but yeah, as you can see here, there are 7 LED chips. So I think those LED chips are actually reusable. I think the actual thing that's broken is probably some PCB behind this, so I'll try to disassemble it further. So here I just get a C-clamp and let's see if I can crush it. So some good news, guys. I just decided to continue use my C-clamp and then I popped it out. And I just saw a big, gigantic capacitor in there, and there are some PCBs. And I'll see whether I can crack this open. Oh, you can make it out, see well. Oh, here. It's basically what it is. And I think there is a big heatsink to dissipate the heat for the LEDs, but let's see. So finally I made some progress here, and then there's some aluminum shielding, and I think as a heatsink as well for the LEDs. And I'm still trying. It's somewhat tough to, just use a plier to cut it open. And we'll fast forward from now. So I finally cooked the heatsink or protective shielding for the LED circuits, and then inside of it is kind of this thing, is what takes the AC and converts to the DC that the LED uses. So that's it, guys. That's what's inside the daily LED bulbs. And then here's the LED chip, and then here is sort of like the rectifier that converts the AC to DC current that the LED volt uses. You can see here's a lot of capacitors, and then there are a couple of coils, and then on the back there are a bunch of resistors, and there's another chip here. So that's it for a quick video of hacking open a LED chip. Hope you like it.